You know, I think I must be Ragamuffin the Wonder Dog. Because ever since I was a pup, every time we go for a walk, I've always wondered where we're going. I wonder if he'll be my fiend.
Oh, Nilsy. He just wants to play.
That was nice. I wonder if I'll see him again. I wonder how that stays up there like that. I've often thought I wouldn't mind having a go on one of those. I wonder if they'd let me. That looks tasty. I wonder if Mum will get me one.
Oh, that's very kind of you. That's very kind of you to offer him rock, but he's not allowed it. Thank you, then. Bye-bye.
Oh, that's a pity. I wonder why that is. It looks all right to me. I wonder if I've got time for 40 winks. I wonder what she wants now. I wonder if it's going to rain. I wonder where we're going now. I wonder if I'll ever get tired of this. I wonder what she'd do if I didn't bring it back.
There's a ball, fellow. Where's it?
I wonder what she called me then.
Well, I suppose I'll have to get it then. Oh, Ragamuffin! Well done. Well done, son. Well done. Good boy.
Well, who'd have thought it, eh?